I'm just in Florida right now with a jacket on, which clearly makes no sense because you wouldn't think. Why Florida and why a jacket? And why am I talking about an old man in Florida and jacket when I should be talking about perfectionism? Bum, bum, bum.
The suspense is killing me. What do you got?
So I feel like trying to be perfect or holding yourself back from completing things because it's not perfect is a really bad thing. And it really reminds me of this Salvador Dali quote that I really enjoy, which is, and I'm going to read it from the computer because I'm not perfect. Haha, see where I'm going here? Have no fear of perfection. You'll never reach it. It's beautiful because if you don't know Salvador Dali, he is the man with the very long mustache who has done some very interesting painting in his day. He's a very famous guy. And it's very true, especially if you're an artist, because as an artist, you're always never fully satisfied with your creation, right? You can create a painting, a drawing, a sculpture, and everybody else can see how fucking cool it is, right? How awesome it is. But then you could pick it apart and just beat yourself up and be like, there's that one line, that one curve that, X, Y, Z is not perfect.
Feel my art!
And everybody else is like, what is wrong with you? But that's kind of the struggle of the artist, right? But when you are the artist, or you're the creator, or you're the speaker, or you're the person at your job, you don't have to just be an artistic person to really encompass this idea. When you're that individual and you're like, hey, I'm going to do my best and I'm going to try to make this as great and perfect as I can, but I'm not going to get to a point where I'm going to be stressed out and beat myself down.
Don't beat yourself up.
You're never going to fully achieve the word perfect, because what is perfect? Perfect to someone else might be totally different to perfect to you, especially being the creator, because you have the vision in your mind of what that could be. But they have a totally different vision, right? So it's a form of self-love to not beat the hell out of yourself because you're not achieving perfection. We are human, so we're gonna have mistakes. We're going to have things that happen. And in all honesty, in nature, what is perfect, right? Have you ever looked at vines, how they grow? Have you ever looked at trees, They're not perfectly straight. They're not just like, boop. You go into the woods, you got some branches that are doing this kind of stuff, vines that are trying to find the sunlight. It's, especially if you know art, there's geometric shapes where you got like a perfect circle, and then they teach you organic shapes, things that are more found in nature, that are a little squiggly squaggly and, flowy, right? So you almost have to take it after nature to understand that not all things are perfect. Now, you can probably jump down a rabbit hole and be like, hey, snowflakes are pretty damn perfect, my dude. Sacred geometry and flowers. Huh? Yeah? What? What are you talking about now? Talk. Huh? Don't go too far down the rabbit hole, right? And that's an example right there. Like, I messed up my word. Oh, God forbid, right? Am I going to stop this whole video, stop this whole flow because I messed up a little bit? No, because I'm not going to force myself to stress about being perfect, because I'd rather have the genuine aspect in this video. So when you go about your day to day, just remember, you can strive for perfection, but you're never going to fully achieve it. So when you create something, when you introduce yourself to someone, whatever the thing might be, do your best, because that's the most important. Learn from it, of how you can improve next time, and enjoy your life. Enjoy what you did. Enjoy the scenario, because all too often, we just beat the hell out of ourselves. For what? Huh? for no friggin' reason. No reason at all, okay? So, remember that. Enjoy, guys. Like, share all the YouTube jargon. Make sure to subscribe, the whole bell thing. And if you're on Rumble, subscribe as well. Hope to see you guys next time. Take care. Peace be with you. Bye-bye.